This is the Lamborghini Aventador, not just a car, but a bold statement of power and design. Its striking lime green finish isn't just eye-catching. It demands attention on the road. The signature scissor doors open like a fighter jet ready for takeoff, setting the tone for what this beast is capable of. Under the hood, over 700 horsepower. Launches the Aventador from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 3 seconds. With an engine roar that you don't just hear, you feel. Every angle of this car tells a story of precision and aggression, from its razor-sharp lines to its aerodynamic curves. The interior is a fusion of luxury and technology, with carbon fiber finish, detailed leather stitching, and a digital cockpit that feels like something from the future. Whether it's cruising through the city or tearing down the highway, the Aventador doesn't just move, it dominates. This isn't just a drive. It's an experience. Welcome to Beast Mode. This green monster isn't just a supercar. It's a road-dominating masterpiece. From the aggressive scissor doors to the explosive engine roar, every detail of this Lamborghini screams speed and luxury. Watch it launch from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in seconds, up close and personal through multiple angles and cinematic shots. Experience the power. Feel the speed. Hear the roar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insane supercar edits.